Hello everyone. Is entrepreneurship really very difficult? Are the entrepreneurs always compromise on everything in their lives? Do they have all kinds of stresses all the time and they don't enjoy their lives? Here's the good news for you. All these statements are myths. Understand, all these statements are myths because entrepreneurship is a passion which comes out of your heart and your vision to make something different, to create something of your own. And if you learn the system of being a successful entrepreneurship, nothing is not achievable in this world. So you are there right on dot, because if you get into an entrepreneurship journey, you have the world to conquer, comparing with any limited job kind of a thing. I'm not denying the roles and responsibilities of people who are doing a job, but again, here you are working for yourself when you are an entrepreneur, and there in a job kind of a scenario you are working for somebody else's dream. Hi, my name is Alok and I'm the founder of the Business Utopia, and I help all the passionate people to become successful entrepreneurs. And to do this, I'm going to help you and handhold you in all walks of your business stages, and I'm going to give you a one-on-one consultancy with the team of coaches and consultants we have in our team, who have diverse and a different kind of experience altogether, working in various domains across the globe. So my name is Alok and I'm father of 2 boys, 9 trees, who's been to one of the most beautiful princes of the world. I'm an engineer, an entrepreneur, traveler, author, blogger, podcaster, a parenting expert and a business enthusiast for the last 20 years, and I'm here helping all your business owners who have that passion to create something on their own, and they want to bring a drastic change in their lives, in the generations to follow for their family, and obviously going to add value to the people who are aligned with their mission and vision, either in the form of employees or in the form of associates or in the form of the customers. So here I go. Just need to click on the button here and join us, the team of entrepreneurs, where the dreams are conceptualized, executed and achieved. Click on the link below and we are ready to talk to you.